The President of India conferred the National Florence Nightingale Awards 2025 upon the exceptional nursing professionals during a ceremonial event held at Rashtrapati Bhavan. This year, 15 nurses from the different regions and various healthcare settings were honored for their exemplary service in strengthening the public health delivery and also for their unwavering commitment in promoting the welfare of the community. The National Florence Nightingale Awards were instituted by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare in the year 1973. Honor the dedication, compassion and the resilience that define the nursing profession. These awards are presented to the registered nurses, midwives, auxiliary nurse midwives and lady healthcare visitors across the central and state governments, union territories and other voluntary organizations. This award includes a certificate of merit, a cash prize of 1 lakh rupees and also a medal symbolizing the nation's gratitude for the unwavering commitment provided by the nursing community.